When I looked at the nominations this year, it's very tough. Huh? It's very tough. It's hard to tell who's going to take what awards, to be very honest. But whoever's been nominated, I wish them the best. May the best one win.
But also, we've got a lineup of artists who are performing. Who are you most excited about?
I'm here to support my brother, Silent No. I'm here to support him, and I'm looking forward to him. I'm also supporting my brother, Danielson Musekiwa. He's also performing tonight. I'm supporting one of our what can I say? One of my nephew's biggest, well, my nephew's actually her biggest fan, Atenda Chinks. So I'm here to watch her as well.
I mean, all three acts are very good, and it's good that you're here tonight, and hope you have a good night, and invite more people to join us here. So if you're watching this from home, remember your general tickets are $10, and the VIP is just $30, just $30. Our theme once again is #Afrofuturism. So all you need to do is to show up with the glam, show up with the energy, and give us the vibes. We're celebrating Africa, we're celebrating talent, and most of all, we are celebrating Zimbabwean talent. I am Queen Nicole, and I'm here with you on the carpet. You can join us anytime. It's all happening here at Hippodrome. Jonathan Samkange, a filmmaker, director, Hollywood-based, came back to Zim.
How about Zimbabwe? That's why we're here. Just look at this. It's amazing. We're uplifting our own country, so I'm excited.
Yeah, but you know, as someone who's been working internationally, comparing our local film industry and how other industries are faring, where would you put us?
I would put us at the starting line, because we're just getting started. But once we get all the funding, all the right information, start telling the right stories in the all rush to the cinemas, I think Hollywood Walk of Fame. They should be playing in China and all over the world. But we haven't quite broken through that yet. But I think we will, because now with technology and most of us filmmakers, the big guys, we all want to work together. And we know that we're not going to survive without each other. So very soon you'll see the Avengers of filmmaking coming together. Oh yeah.
But obviously, you know, to the curators of this year's NAMA Awards, the theme is #Afrofuturism. How do you see that playing a role in the type of art that we produce as Zimbabwe?
Well, it's going to take us away from just filming in hearts and filming in... Look at my suit today. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's supposed to be African, but we're like, okay, let's stay away from the patterns. It's on the gold pattern. With our movies, man, that would be amazing. And I mean, with Afrofuturism, you know, get into modern stories and, you know, yeah.
Absolutely, cannot wait for that. But allow me to put you on the spot for a little bit. In your category as a filmmaker, who are you expecting to walk away with a trophy and why?
Look. I'm walking away with a trophy. It's perfectly fine. We're all winners. And at the end of the day, it's subjective. Art is subjective. You can't let one person or three people or 1,000 people's choice determine your value. Your value is what you believe. You know, I'm a winner. We're winning, baby. We're winning, baby.
We are winners.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Whoever gets the gong, great. I already have one. But I want another.
We can never get enough.
I don't want to lie. I want another one. But is it the end of the world? No. Because we're going to keep working and we've got a big vision. You know, we want our country to benefit from the economical value of making movies, creating culture. So we're on it.
That is absolutely right, and thank you so much for joining us. We are still here at Hippodrome, and it's all just starting. We're on the red carpet, but this is just the start of what is going to be a great night.
Bye. See you later. You're looking amazing.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda.
I'm from Mutare.
Oh, okay.
Ndakushandisa ziki pakutumira nekutora marisepiki yabikiliki akuse kuvhura diki zvazvinhu zvine musoro kunge wiki saka cbznipa taintrodusa ziki cash to collect your usd cash cash up necbz touch kana paatm iri vahombe pakutumira mari diaspora kuuk you don't have to worry
tiri vahombe pakutumira mari diaspora far away you don't have to worry no said I cash from UK to Zimbabwe send your money through CBZ CK cash yeah
said I cash from UK to Zimbabwe receive your money the CBZ CK
Come on.
Yes, and I'm so excited to be here as a presenter for the Nama Awards. I'm really happy to be here, and yeah, I'm also dressed by Santa.
Oh, great. But, you know, before I let you go very quickly for the sake of time, who are you excited to see on stage tonight?
Woo! Definitely Jah Praiser.
I agree with you on those two.
Yeah, they're great.
Thank you so much for walking on carpet and continue being the great queen that you are. Unfortunately, to everyone who has been joining us on our live stream, it is time for us to love you and leave you. But this does not mean that it's the end of the event. We are still here at Hippodrome. Remember, general tickets are $10. VIP is $30. We have a vast lineup of artists we're going to be performing for you tonight. Jah Praise is on the list. We have Nisha Tees, Bagger is also on the list, and you know, Oriana. So you're really spoiled for choice. The theme is Afrofuturism. So I hope that if you're showing up, you're coming in draper and you're looking good. Otherwise, it's a good night.
And then secure your spot on the dance floor. You're going to need it. The Nama 23 pre-show starts now. Please welcome a group you know and love for hits like African Woman, Katarina, and Raka Raka. Ladies and gentlemen, for the Nama 23 pre-show, please welcome Fusion 5 Manguiro.
Guys, in 2025, you're all looking amazing tonight. So, thank you. It's going to be a great time performing good music to you good people. So, enjoy. We always tell people that what we are good at is the creation of the sound. But when it comes to pushing our music further, that's when you guys come into play. So, we want to appreciate you. We want to thank you for supporting us and supporting our music. Thank you.
hakuna inovhurira imwe ivete, hakuna inovhurira imwe ivete. Chitambe handirambe, chitambe handirambe, 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 handirambe. Unifumira mangwana nazindiwe futi unechoki unechitambe. Unifumira mangwana nazindiwe futi unechoki unechitambe. Unifumira mangwana nazindiwe futi unechoki unechitambe. Handirambe, chitambe, handirambe. Mani manginje, nje, oh manginje. Siri mani manginje, nje, oh manginje. Manginje, nje, manginje, nje, oh manginje. Manginje, nje, manginje, nje, oh manginje. Uri kupika ni marunje, iwe, oh marunje. Uri kupika ni marunje, iwe, oh marunje. Marunje, nje, marunje, nje, oh marunje. Marunje, nje, marunje. Marunje. Uri pamoyo wangu, oh, marunje. Uri pamoyo wangu, oh, marunje. Uri pamoyo wangu, oh, marunje. Marunje, marunje, siri mani marunje, 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 marunje. Ukandisiya zviri nandife, moyo wangu ungabaike.
So the next song is a love song that we did with Janus from Musekiwa, song called Andukwanise. So this is a song that if you are sitting next to your better semi, you need to look straight into the eyes of Ngoturugona wangu. Inini newe kutara in Andukwanise. So it's just the same as an I cannot live without you. So ladies and gentlemen, if your better semi is not around, you need to take a short clip Then for WhatsApp over, go to press send. So, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy.
Mumoyo mangu, tiwe urimo mumoyo mangu, mumoyo mangu urimo mumoyo mangu, mumoyo mangu, mumoyo mangu, tiwe urimo mumoyo mangu, mumoyo mangu urimo mumoyo mangu, baby, mumoyo mangu, hey, mumoyo mangu, tiwe urimo mumoyo mangu, mumoyo mangu urimo mumoyo mangu, mumoyo mangu, ndiwe unongo swera uchingo tenderera nangwe mupfungwa dzangu ndiwe unongo kwidza nekudzika wazondichinja zita kubva muukomana iko zvino ndave murume pane vamwe varume ndichakuvimbisa rudo ndokupa mazi rudo samara inini ndapera ropa ini andikwanise kurarama kana iwewe usipo ini andikwanise kurarama kana iwewe usipo ini andikwanise kurarama kana iwewe usipo Andiwe baby rangu uri pamoyo wangu yende ndokudisisa Andiwe baby rangu uri pamoyo wangu yende ndokudisisa nekuti uri chiedza chinondivhenekera tirimo murudo uri chiedza chinondivhenekera tirimo murudo uri chiedza baby ini andikwanise kurarama kana iwewe usipo ini andikwanise kurarama kana iwewe usipo andiwe baby rangu uri pamoyo wangu yende ndokudisisa andiwe baby rangu uri pamoyo wangu yende ndokudisisa mango chiona nasi mangowe, mangowe. Sei uchitora nguva yakareba iwe, mangowe, mangowe. Uriwe unondipa kandara kanaka iwe, mangowe, mangowe. Mangowe, 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 guvae mango. Mangowe, 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 guvae mango. Guvae mango yashika, yashika, mangowe, 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 guvae mango yashika. Guvae mango yashika, yashika, mangowe, 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 guvae mango yashika. Mango, 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 mango. Ziombe, dawa na zipuru mango, ziombe, rango zituko tuko. Mango, mangowe, 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 guvae mango. Mango, 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 mango. Mango, mango, mango.
So the next song is called Zuva. Zuva, I call it my favorite song because it's the song that carries a lot of questions. But one thing that I like about the song is you can be able to respond to those questions while you're listening to the song. So Zuva, ladies and gentlemen, hanzi pane nguva yekudyara, pane nguva yekudiridzira, pane nguva yekukohwa. So it's a song that speaks more about the importance of time. So one more time, enjoy.
Zuva, Zuva, rinombo pepiko. Zuva, 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 rinombo pepiko. Koyo nguva, nguva, nguva. Haikwanise kukukumirira, mirira, mirira, mirira iwe, kukumirira iwe. Nguva haikwanise kukukumirira, mirira, mirira, mirira iwe, kukumirira iwe. ndaona chiedza, ndaona rima, yeah. Ndaona rima, ndaona chiedza, ndaona rima, ritori rimwe zuva rapfuura. Ndaona rima, ndaona chiedza, ndaona rima, yeah. Ndaona rima, ndaona chiedza, yeah. Charapima, yeah. Charapima, zuva jipure. Charapima, yeah. Charapima, zuva. Charapima, yeah. Charapima, zuva. Charapima, yeah. Zuva. Rinombo people. Zuva. Rinombo people. Zuva. Rinombo people.
Thank you. So Katarina was our first release in 2018. And we want to thank you all for supporting the song. Katarina, ladies and gentlemen.
Ukandira magiri nandipe, ukandira magiri nandipe, ukandira magiri nandipe, ukandira magiri nandipe. Katarina, yeah. Ukandira mawandi baya panosimba. Katarina, yeah. Katarina, yeah. Ukandira mawandi baya panosimba. I love you. Girl, you're looking so pretty. Walking up down in my body. I wanna give you my love. Rudo no paupa katik. Andi moba onda kakuchit. Tutamba chuskana kasoda pese pandokona ndo panda itasoba. Original Zimbabwe atimbomba tarisana. Oh no na yo. Bano taita chisungana. Love you my baby. I wanna make you my woman day. Show you a real man day. I love you my baby. I wanna make you my woman day. Show you a real man day. Katarina, yeah. Katarina, yeah. Ukandira mawani baya panosimba. Katarina, yeah. Katarina, yeah. Ukandira mawani baya panosimba. Katarina, don't
unenge one day eat at safe kusiya moyo une short sleeve unenge one day tonoza kuti pesa ndenge ndichiita shi unechitaira chemadi unoda ndichatofa leave I'm a natural giver tambanoza ruoko runo receive.
I love you, 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 my baby. I wanna make you my woman day, show you a real man day. I love you, 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 my baby. I wanna make you my woman day, show you a real man day. Katarina, yeah, Katarina, yeah, Katarina, yeah. Ukandirama wandibaya panotimba. Katarina, yeah, Katarina, yeah, Katarina, yeah. Ukandirama wandibaya panotimba.
Unechimiro chiri bombastic, baby kukusha yandita kongashe. Andidine way, andidine way. Katarina uri so lovely, chimiro chakanaka chiri so precious. Andidine way, andidine way.
Katarina, baby don't you ever leave me, oh. You know I love you, oh. Katarina, baby don't you ever leave me, oh. You know I love you, oh. Katarina, yeah, Katarina, yeah, yeah, Katarina, yeah. Ukandirama wandibaya panotimba. Katarina, yeah, Katarina, yeah, yeah, Katarina, yeah. Ukandirama wandibaya panotimba. Ukandira maziri nandife, dife. Ukandira maziri nandife, dife. Ukandira maziri nandife, dife. Ukandira maziri nandife.
Thank you. So when you are singing to your Katarina, it means you are in love. But there's that one moment. Now in a relationship, the R is silent, kaka relationship. It means no one and it. So it so happened in a time and moment, and these guys wrote Kuope. And we want to thank you again for supporting the song. So Kuope, ladies and gentlemen, kanaune wako akambuguita yoyo. This is a song for you. Uchipoza moyo wako. This is a song that yekutachitera riko kwanogozi yakuta atina chandakamboudzwa zvangu, but this for me. So Kuope, enjoy.
Waima moyo mangu daiwa wana mufaro pese kwa uchazo enda, pese kwa uchazo enda. Chandi nongo shuwira kuti usadoni, mashonga kanditaurira hazinyore. Ondo iri moyo mangu nefungwa haizinyore. Moyo wangu wote mbomufonera funga zoti usafoni. Uya undihone Kuope, uya undipoze Kuope. Timbose katiritose Kuope, shimeronda ringapore Kuope.
Right upon now we say greetings in the name of the Emperor King Selassie. They say blessed is the man walking in the path of righteousness, not the one walking in the path of sinners. Man to man is not advisable. Woman to woman, not advisable. But woman to Manguiro, it's a perfect square. Yeah! Rastafari.
Waiva moyo mangue na yuwa wana mufaro pese kwa uchazo enda pese kwa uchazo enda chandi nongo shuira kuti usadon mashonga kanditaurira Señor, cuando iri moyo mangu nefuma, ay Señor, moyo wangu otimba mufonera, pumba toti usafon, uya unione, ope, uya unipote, ope, timbo seka tiritose, ope. Ronda ringa pore ope Aswina maka wandiramba Chero muhondo echi murenga Vano vaingorambana Tinokushuwira zviri nane Oh, dai wandirambira hurumbo Daiti ndichabudirira Asi kundiramba usina chipodze Chandinongoshuwira kuti usadon Mashoka kanditaurira Señor Ondo iri moyo mangu nefuma Ay Señor Moyo wangu watimba mufonera Funga toti usafon Uya unioni Ope Uya unipote Ope Você catiritose ope Chumeronda ringa pore ope Usadon Mashonka kanditaurira Señor Ondo iri moyo mangu nefuma Ay Señor Uya undihone Ope Uya undipote Ope What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Barodani way. Sezeto manaiwe. Sezeto manaiwe. Sezeto manaiwe. Sangizo zawao. Sangizo zawao na. Sangizo zawao. Sangizo zawao na. Sangizo zawao. Sangizo zawao na. Sangizo zawao.
So what's important is to come back home with substance. So nguruwe yemusango, enjoy.
kuluma kwenu. Ribili la bumba kuluma kwenu. Raba la bumba kululeyo. Ribili la bumba kuluma kwenu. Ribili la bumba kuluma kwenu. Raba la bumba kululeyo. Ndanga ndichiti chisangana one membe. Ndanga ndichiti chisangana one membe. Tapa naona nguruwe. Ndanga ndichiti chisangana one membe. Ndanga ndichiti chisangana one membe. Tapa naona nguruwe musango. Naura yane minana. 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 Musango musango nguruwe ye musango ye musango ye musango musango nguruwe ye musango ye musango ye musango musango nguruwe ye Naura yane minana nguruwe ye musango Naura yane minana nguruwe ye musango Naura yane minana nguruwe ye musango
Thank you. After taenda kuchina chevarume. Ndokufa varume vanyora tsamba. Takazona nemamwe madzimai zveshuwa ndokunyora tsamba. So ladies and gentlemen, tisingakupedzerei nguva. We just want to thank you all for being here tonight. And there's our last song, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy.
Dizo dafidza nekutsanya Dizo Dizo dafidza nekutsanya Dizo Dizo dafidza nekutsanya Dizo Dizo dafidza nekutsanya
Mazuva maviri yapfuura
ndiri pakutsanya
mwedzi mitatu zvayapfuura
ndichiri pakutsanya kuchiri kutsanya ere kana kuti ndadzokera muguta kuchiri kutsanya ere kana kuti ndadzokera muguta tete ndimi wani makashonongora muka mukadzi ndakamugamuchira pachita, iye zvino ndave hanzvadzi nehanzvadzi. Kuchiri kudzanya here kana kuti ndadzokera mugota? Kuchiri kudzanya here kana kuti ndadzokera mugota? Wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, mai mwana wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, Seiko wandinyi mabonde. Ukandinyima unotindoriwa nepiko, ngatiregedze kupawa kaipamkana. Wamupamkana paunondioneka, wamupamkana paunomuoneka. Teteti utavaripi manduwe. Kudzanya here kana kuti ndadzokera muguta? Kuchiri kudzanya here kana kuti ndadzokera muguta? Wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, mai mwana wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, Seiko wandinyi mabonde. Akorinde vekutanga ndima yanomwe, chitsauko cheshanu pazvakanzi musanyimana. Ndotsika nayo here, tsikai nayo mudzidzisi, maichisamba tikasazvitaura hazvirerebushe. Tsanangudzoti zvakanzi kutsanai, kukutsana kureva kupanana. Kuchiri kudzanya here kana kuti ndadzokera muguta? Kuchiri kudzanya here kana kuti ndadzokera muguta? Wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, mai mwana wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, wandinyi mabonde, Seiko wandinyi mabonde. Bonde, 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 wandinyi mabonde. Bonde, 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 mai mwana wandinyi mabonde.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I know you can do better than that. Let's give it up for Fusion.
Sekou, what is the future going to be like?
My child, the future is a beautiful tapestry. Let me take you on a journey. Imagine a vibrant world where visual arts burst forth like a train speeding towards new horizons. Feel the rhythm of spoken word rising from the earth, powerful and alive. Each poem will be seen sparking change in every listener's heart.
What do you mean?
Picture, film and television as a bridge, connecting our rich past to a dynamic future. We will craft narratives that resonate, projecting our stories onto screens worldwide, igniting pride and understanding. Our words will live and possess the future within you, my child.
I see it now.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we bear our nation's song with absolute pride and dignity, please welcome the young, vibrant, internationally touring Choice Children's Choir performing the national anthem. Number 23, hashtag Afrofuturism. Remember that when you post your pictures tonight. Now, let's get this show on the road, shall we? Please welcome the king of strings, Silent Ngco, a rib-cracking fan favorite, Code Red Studios Tokoloshi, and Africa's finest beatboxer, Pro Beats, Nemkomana Webosho, whose arrival announces great things.
I've been on a quest to find the future. Seku's voice never stopped ringing in my head. At last, I found it. This is the future.
Bucks, I Help Technologies, Beyond Excellence, Braid and Weave Nation, Ranga Designs, Tin Mash the Suit Master, Stay Young Till 99, Dreadlock Masters, Elegant Secrets Aesthetics and Beauty Center, Addiction Designs, Black Shark Security, JT Clothing, Creative Bureau, Chievo Couture, Ida the Makeup Artist, The Pro Makeup Artist Beauty Studio, The House of Siobhan, and Greygate. She's a media personality. She's a formidable presence that fills the air with elegance and confidence. She graces many stages and screens, bringing you the stories that matter most to your homes. She does this with a smile that lights up the room. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight she brings her fierceness, her beauty, her humor, and her bubbly elegance, her absolute aura of excellence to the number 23 stage. Namhlanje kukhanya isicathulo. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your host, Nabila Jogi.
Baby, baby, this beat for you. So you got me drunk in love, your highness. Your head to toe, you're the finest. You could twinkle your light in every way. You the brightest. Call me a big gorilla. I'm King Kong, you're Cinderella. Any focused off the weather, you can stay under my umbrella. Chimoko, chine flavor. Tobuda, wagadaro. Unondi, pamfaro. Chimoko, chite.
Close your eyes, just for a moment. Now feel. Okay, go ahead and open them again. Now, what does the future of Zimbabwean art look like? Let's say 100 years from today. Now, tonight is about celebrating today's artists that will lead us into the future. My name is Nabila Jogi Jiherat, that you will see as the night progresses. What I can tell you, Nasi, Pachabaka fire, Nasi Pachabaka. Now, we are so excited to have these lovely ladies with us tonight. Could we please give them a massive round of applause? Thank you very much, ladies. Now, in the commentary booth, you've heard her voice all evening so far. Is your voice host tonight the beautiful, the amazing, the wonderful, the talented Charlene Furusa? Give her a round of applause. Hey, girl. Oh, man.
Absolutely phenomenal.
And don't I?
My name is Charlene Mangweni Furusa Nagaro Tagatili, and I will be your voice host tonight. Let's do this.
That's the good stuff. Hi, Tammy. Tammy, where you at? Hi. Hi. Some of them are new, coming in hot off the press. First-time nominees like the likes of Nisha Tees and Mujaya. We've got them all. And we have a couple of surprises lined up for you as well tonight. So get ready for performances by Atenda, Chinks, Oriano, Baga, Windsor, and for the after party, Japreza. So please do not rush home. For those watching from home, I'm so sorry, but Asipo Habo, if you're not here, I'm sorry. You are missing out. But take this as your sign to attend the next Namas in person. Also, get ready for some mad, and I mean mud, vocals from Joyful Praise. All I'm saying is, if you need to get up off your chair for whatever reason and leave this auditorium during the performances, very tricky. It could get very tricky for you, because this show is jam-packed with all the niceness of 2024. So buckle up and welcome to number 23, Board Chair. She is a best-selling New York Times author, neurosurgeon educated at Harvard, Yale, and Columbia University, and the board chairperson of the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe, Dr. Jacqueline Nozipho Maraire, to lead us into the future.
My name is Dr. Nozipho Maraire. I am the board chair of the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe. On behalf of our ministry, the Ministry of Arts, Culture, Sports and Recreation, on behalf of my board, which is here tonight, our director, Napoleon Nani, and the management. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to NAMA 2023. It is it's 2025 year, but it's our 23rd NAMA. I'd like to welcome our distinguished guests. I'd like to welcome honorable ministers. Thank you. I'd like to welcome the honorable ministers. I'd like to welcome our international dignitaries. I'd like to welcome the artists, the creatives out there who have brought us all together here tonight. I'd like to welcome all of the ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, Amane Shamwari. Welcome to our flagship event, NAMA 23. So tonight, it celebrates 23 years of NAMA. I'm going to pause while we welcome celebrating the role, the vital role that the creative cultural industries play within both our economic framework and as a pillar of the creative and cultural ecology that Zimbabwe is in. So we have been, for the last 22 years, celebrating the creatives. We have given out 900 NAMA awards in that time. We have highlighted almost 4,000 nominees and their works. Tonight, I believe another 39 are joining the pantheon of the greats of Zimbabwean creatives. We wish you all luck. We are proud as the National Arts Council at the role that the NAMA Awards play. Many of our performers, the winners, and the nominees are catapulted to new heights, new markets, new partnerships as a result of their NAMA Award. Tonight, it's all glitz and glam. I can see you all in your gowns, there's black tie, there's red carpet. It's amazing. But I need to take you backstage for a little bit. If you'll indulge me for a few minutes, I'd like to tell you 5 things that are under work in the backstage in terms of the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe. As you know, the National Arts Council and the ministry is headed by a swimmer, well, a former swimmer, 7-time Olympic champion, Kirsty Coventry. To get to that level of performance, it takes grit. It takes determination. It takes a singular focus to perform time after time. You know those Olympics are separated by 4 years, right? Time after time to be a winner. That work ethic, embodied by Minister Coventry, is infused into the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe, into our board, into our director, and into our management. I'm going to show you why that is exactly the case. Number 1, I want to talk to you about the year of the film. Number 2, I want to talk to you about how we're breaking down barriers and making arts and the creative industry able to function with less hurdles. 3, I want to tell you about the global opportunities that we're opening on your behalf, the creatives. 4, I want to tell you how, at a national level, we're creating a vibrant creative ecology. Lastly, I want to tell you a little bit about the mistakes we've made, the journey we're on together, and the learning. And then I'm going to ask of you, the creatives, 3 things. Okay, let's start with the year of the film. When we were in Bulawayo together last year, the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe declared that it was the year of the film. I stand before you with pride to say that we made good on our word. After nationwide consultations that were inclusive, we were listening, we're taking notes. We met with over 150 film practitioners, ranging from anything from wildlife documentaries to animation. And with their participation, with support from our international partners as well, we've been able to launch the Film Strategy 2025-2030. It's a big deal, people. We have a path and a way forward to make Zimbabwe the powerhouse of film that it once was. None of you are old enough, maybe these guys, in the 1980s and 1990s to remember what it was. So I thank all of you for participating in that. But we've taken it one step further. Thanks to the Games and Lotteries Board, if the chair is here, please do stand up. We'd like to thank the Games and Lotteries Board. Thanks to, yes! Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to the generosity, we have been able, as a National Arts Council, to set up a short film catalyst fund. How many of you took chemistry in school? I had no choice. Well done. Catalyst. A catalyst, what does it do? It speeds up a reaction. This is a catalyst fund. It's giving you as film practitioners a jump start. We have got the applications live. The call is on our site. Visit National Arts Council website. We've been able to go even further. And through our engagements with international partners, specifically in this case, Russia, we've also opened up an opportunity this summer for 3 of our film practitioners to go to Europe and engage with other practitioners, both in film, but in many other genres as well. Well done to the team. Well done to Director Nyoni. So that's film strategy. Our second was how we're breaking down barriers to make the ease of doing business, if you will, as artists. We are launching a digitalization platform that will help you register online. It'll make it much easier. Bear with us, give us your feedback, but that's what we're launching. We've also signed, thank you. We've also signed MOUs with South Africa. We're inking on Botswana and Zambia. That means that you will be able to foster new partnerships, to access new markets, and to unlock finances at scale because you're doing it across borders. So thirdly, no, I missed one, IP. We're talking to lawyers for preserving your intellectual property, for getting you the training and the guidance that you need to preserve your intellectual property. Thank you for that. So, third thing is our global relationships that are helping you so that you can access new markets and new people and new territory. We are part of IFECA. We are part of the African Union Cultural Group. We're actually instrumental in the formation of the African Union Film. We are part of UNESCO, and that has led to the film strategy funding, and we hope many more. So these engagements that we do at an international level, they do a couple things. One is we learn best practices. But we also learned that as Zimbabwe, we're actually ahead of the game. We're doing very well in the cultural space. And it unlocks these opportunities like what you've seen now. We actually get a return on investment. Speaking of a return on investment, as far as film is concerned, I'd like to thank the Treasury and the hard work of our ministry and our management, because for the first time, film is on the national budget. That's a feat. We're putting culture on the map. Okay. Fourth thing is that locally, we're trying to create a very vibrant space for the arts. We've got Culture Month, and I want to shout out to our ambassador, Jobst van Kirschman, who's been an enthusiastic supporter of Culture Month. We appreciate the participation. This Culture Month, the theme is Indigenous Voices. Help us, guys. Help us tell the stories. Engage in activities. We want to decentralize. We're empowering the provinces. Our hope is that in 5 to 10 years' time, people in the provinces can actually put on a NAMA like this. We're trying to decentralize and empower the provinces and also bring up what is unique at the provincial level. The last thing that I want to tell you behind the scenes of what we're doing for you at National Arts Council of Zimbabwe has to do with our learnings. We don't always get it right, but we're trying pretty hard. And we have launched a newsletter. If you haven't seen it, please do go to the website and subscribe. We have a brand new spanking website that we hope is more interactive. We heard your comments, shall we say, on what you thought of our old website, and we've rejiggered it, so it is, we hope, up to your standards. And yeah, I think we're working pretty hard, and I hope we want you as creatives to know that we are working on your behalf. This work could not have been done without the unflagging support of our Minister, Christy Coventry, our Deputy Minister, Honorable Josiah, our Permanent Secretary that they stole from us, how could I forget my favorite PS, our Permanent Secretary, and our Director, Napoleon Yanni. So I really want to say thank you to all of those people. Tonight, in particular, thanks goes to our team for NAMA. And that is Hope Masike and Mrs. Gatoria on the ground at National Arts Council. Well done. I would like to conclude by asking you 3 things, right? We said we're going to ask 3 things of you. So what am I going to ask of you? I'm asking 3 things for the creatives. The first, I hope, won't be too hard. Be kind. Be kind to one another. There's no need to go online and be cruel and mean and vicious. Why? You know how hard it is to put yourself out there as an artist. You're vulnerable. You're putting your pain, all of your emotions out there, and you're just trusting the universe that somebody's going to like what you put out there. If you don't like it, just don't comment. But we're trying to create a supportive environment at the National Arts Council. We're trying to create an ecosystem. And you tearing each other down does not build an ecosystem, right? We need you to be kind, supportive of each other. Give each other constructive criticism by all means. The second ask is that you be ambassadors to the culture of Zimbabwe. Tell people our stories. Be our mirrors. Let them hear us through your voice. Let them see us through your feet. Let them see us through the paintings that you make, the spoken word that you shout out. We need you to change the narrative. The future of Africa is in the creatives. So my second ask is that you be authentic voice of whatever your situation and your experiences are. I have the last ask. The last ask is for you to professionalize. As the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe, we really are structured to support arts associations. So we need you to tell us that you're out there. If you and your best friend have decided you want to do African textile design, form an association. If you want to do beadwork, form an association. We will support you. We will find textile designers in Mali that you can then hook up with. Do you understand? But if we don't know you're there, we can't help you. We can't support you. We can't build you. And trust me, Zimbabwe is way ahead of the game in the ecosystem of the arts. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great night. I'm not going to keep you from your entertainment. The energy I can feel is already. But I thank you for your attention. I wish all the nominees a great evening. You've made it this far. Well done. Thank you for your attention.
Gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow art enthusiasts, I am greatly honored to be here tonight to celebrate the outstanding achievements by Zimbabwean artists who excelled in the year 2024. As the Minister in charge of Arts and Culture, it is my privilege to recognize the tireless efforts of individuals and organizations who have made significant contributions to the cultural and creative industry in our country. The arts reflect our society, capturing our joys, struggles, and aspirations. They provide us with a voice and a platform to express our identity and heritage. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate the nominees and the winners. Your passion, creativity, and dedication to the arts are an inspiration to us all. Tonight, we celebrate not only your achievements, but also the impact that the arts have on our society. The arts have the power to transform, to educate, and to bring us together. They challenge our assumptions, spark imagination, and provide a platform for self-expression. As a government, we recognize the importance of the arts in promoting social cohesion, driving economic growth, and enhancing our cultural heritage. As we celebrate the 23rd NAMA, let us look forward. The challenges we face in the arts sector, funding, accessibility, and recognition, demand our attention and action. Together, we must advocate for policies that support and promote the arts, ensuring that they remain an integral part of our national identity. This rapidly changing world, it is essential that we continue to support and invest in the arts. They are not merely a form of entertainment. They are an essential part of our identity and heritage. The government is committed to creating an environment where creativity can thrive through funding, education, and opportunities for collaboration. I would like to acknowledge the critical role that our arts organizations, festivals, and exhibitions play in promoting the arts and supporting our artists. Your efforts are essential in creating a vibrant and diverse arts ecosystem that benefits our communities and our economy. To our winners tonight, I offer my warmest congratulations. Your awards are a testament to your hard work, your talent, and your commitment to excellence. I encourage you to continue pushing the boundaries of your art form, to be innovative, and to inspire others. Finally, I would like to thank the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe and the organizers of this event, JCMC, for their tireless efforts in promoting the arts and recognizing excellence. Thank you and congratulations once again to our nominees and our winners.
The ladies, how many times have you felt so hopelessly in love? That moment when your heart is going... Now look, I tried. I'm no Pro Beats, because how amazing was Pro Beats' performance? Let's give him a round of applause while we're here. I couldn't if I tried. But that feeling when your heart feels like it's on lockdown, and all you want is for that one special someone to say, baby, you're a superstar. Hey. You get weak in the knees, people. Can I get... Ladies, has nobody ever had that feeling, the weak in the knees feeling? It's a special one. We've all been there, we've all done that, and it is the best feeling in the entire world. Now, the next two performances are by two performers who paint the picture of love songs in a gorgeous, in an infectious way. Please welcome Atenda Chinks and Darosh Chaway!
Normally I don't cheat. My blue ticks when they wanna in the DM like a sudden in my D's. When you fundisa musikanzo, boy, you putting my heart on lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown. Boy, you playing me anywhere when you not there. No die, no die. Yeah, no money, I don't cheat. My new pics never went on the DM like a sudden in my sheets. When you fundisa musikanzo, boy, you putting my heart on lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown. Boy, you playing me anywhere when you not there. No die, no die. Why you playing me? Why you hurting me, boy? Boy, you got my sight on lockdown. And in a time me could tarisa another man, but the way you treat me, quita kungendiri dum dum. The second chimbozi took a time. Yeah, uno ndita isi fail, no than it to say. All night, uno da kutingi to brain. Chuma kana kensa, ndi chinga funga chet. I will remember saro darine. Da kutoshua shiti pepepe. Da isoto pera kuti pepepe. All night, wangu kasi message I send it. Oyo wakatara sama sendeke. Normally I don't keep my notebooks never run out. The DM records that I in my sheets. Wonderful, so boy, you putting my heart on lockdown. Lockdown, lockdown. Why you playing me? What do you wear? I need no die. No die, no die. Why you playing me? Why you hurting me, boy?
Look, Attender, I'm sorry. I know you miss me and I miss you too. And Moshande Angu, I know I've been away for so long, baby, but I love you. Do you know the best thing ever to happen, Mupenyo Angu, you understand that? And I know there's distance, but I love you.
You get me? I'm so me go for that kung fu if them a touch you. L-O-V-E, baby girl, I love you. Don't move in a ghetto, you way uptown, I so spicy.
Tell me, cause I really want you.
Yeah, dude.
Tell me if I'm really your boo.
Yeah, dude.
Tell me if you're gonna come through.
Sing it, ding, ding, ding. The beauty superstar. And then she don't go that to the triple ground. She know that a sangana. Me no honey party cha sangana. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka moto. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka fire. Oh na na na. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka moto. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka fire. Baby pacha baka fire. Yeah, what you say? Signity from 19 or no. Share. Paripopando kufunga funga. You know that could have anyway. And then you know that who ye kumba. Bakuti unzach kumweni mfenze adikuchiko iwayo nikati unzach kumweni mfenze hausakuno nikufenze iwe adati unzach kumweni kufenze adikuchiko iwayo nikati unzach kumweni mfenze hausakuno nikufenze.
Love how you a dance, round up a blast. Like you anything, could have back a fast gas. I love how you a dance, round up a blast.
Why you anything, could have back a fast. Ding 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 ding. Hey! Share. Okay. Share where for the kids. Share one there for the dance. Satya. Wabaya moyo juu cheki sene kumbepiga. Kanshi sekwe cheko nyuna murudo shisewe. Napira de kumbepi wakandanga kupini tere. Chivaka shure kusheshe ino. Kumbepe juu cheki sene kumbepe ya. Kumbepe jodanda perera. Kumbepe sene kumbepe ya. Kumbepe I need that. kanetsani chakuti asungema yokokeri doda ukare pattern chiwanda nakumbuka ndichiwana pa uri pana mana mota unopira kaneda nena itaone ukadeni
Guys, how amazing is Dalroy Shewe? Absolutely unbelievable. Can we just give him an attender one more massive round of applause? Now, the first is from the city of Mutare. Do I have anybody from Mutare in the house? My mom is from Mutare. She is an amazing person in the world of theatre, and that is Amanda. Accompanying Amanda this evening will be none other than the Sables Captain Hilton Mudariki.
Thank you. That's right, Amanda. First time in 12 years. It really was a sweet victory because it had been for so long that we hadn't brought the cup back home.
Yeah.
And that was icing on the cake, and that's no joke at all.
That's great. The nominees in this next category are full of jokes, though, and they do it so well.
And the nominees for Outstanding Comedian are...
Outstanding Stand-Up Comedian, Nigel Maritini, a.k.a. Nigel Stick Pasta. Mbongeni Ignatius Ndlovu, Mukudzei Majoni, a.k.a. King Kandoro.
And the winner is Mukudzei Majoni.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously, Andisirina. Yeah, in those international I would like to thank Nama for the recognition. Thank you so much for the support that you've given these people, the comedians. Last year was an amazing year for the comics. Thank you for supporting Nigel the Slick Pastor. Thank you for supporting King Kandoro. Thank you for supporting everyone. You guys are amazing. Thank you.
Now, I'm a woman of many words. I thrive in my writing. These nominees also use words as their medium of expression, and they do it so well. The nominees for Outstanding Poet are...
Spoken Word Awards. Outstanding Poet, Standazile Dube, a.k.a. Afrikazi. Kudakwashe Rice. Mighty Mahembe, a.k.a. General Fire Colosso.
And the winner is Kudakwashe Rice.
Golden Fingers.
International.
Oh, chakanaka. Achirum weichi chakanaka. Oh, flavor chakalaka. Chani pidi kurechi chandi daka. Andina daka. Makanaka. Didi. Daona pakanaka. Didi. Pakanaka. Shuai ni daona pakanaka.
Nyafunga yenu udisile.
Wow. As a man of words, I really don't know which best ones to use to describe how grateful I am to be receiving this award. It's something that means so much to me, and it serves as the biggest encouragement for me to continue pursuing the work that I'm pursuing. So I'm really thankful to the NAMA board for awarding me this. My gratitude goes out to the creator, the one that has given me this gift. And he has also afforded me the opportunity to be in front of platforms where I'm able to execute this craft of mine. And my heart really goes out to my mother. I love her so much. She has allowed for me to pursue my passion with so much faith and trust. So I really love her so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. And lastly, I would like to say that this award doesn't just go out to myself, but it goes out to the young and new generation of contemporary spoken word artists and poets. And my biggest encouragement is that you should continue to express yourself in the best way that you know how to. Whatever rooms or spaces that you want to eventually occupy, you should trust that you can write your way into them. Thank you.
Amanda, I did not know you're an actress.
Oh, wow.
How do you manage to portray real life so flawlessly?
It's not always easy, but I will say you need to be observant of human behavior, so you replicate it so well enough. The nominees in this category use real-life scenarios to entertain the masses through social media. The nominees for Outstanding Social Media Skit are...
Outstanding Social Media Skits. Admire Mshambi, a.k.a. Mama V. Panashe Gurende, a.k.a. Mjaya. Bashimane Mutusi Ndogo, a.k.a. Madlela Skobobobo.
And the winner is Panashe Gurende.
Vese vanoita sleeping on me zviribo vasiyei varare vachazopepuka ndavaloniliedza tobu vaninga sake. Chirungu chawandirwa chekutanga ndakutanga nekutenda ndatanga nekutenda denga ratiponka nekusvika pano muzuva ranhasi chigamuchidza chipo nekuzotendawo imimhuri yezimbabwe makandikoshera stereki nedziya dzedzekwamurehwa hatitaura nditi idzodzo and ndakona siyu okay and musangoitini ndega itirewo nevamwe and I don't know what to say. Zvakakosha amana dema mbuduruka matera and also want to give special thanks to my father, the general himself, Angolo aka Ango Munumtapa. Yeah, respect, yeah man. And last but not least, pano vaya itu bangwe mfano ya nokukodzera kupio chipo tinongoti kana muchimhanya masarase mamirire ndapedza.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
I see the Mjaya fan club is on fire in the corner over there. I see you. Shout out to you. Congratulations. The win is also your win. So absolutely congratulations. So you see me now in this spotlight. The thing about light is you simply can't ignore it. Now, voting for the People's Choice Award is about to close. I mean, literally in the next few minutes. But it's not too late. You can get your last vote in for your favorite. Now, the nominees in this category are Volts JT, Dorcas Moyo, Mike Rifodi, Master H, and Winky D. You know, I wish I could add one more to that People's Choice Award. I would say Winky D and me, but I can't do that, can I? It's rather unfortunate. Now, to get your votes in, simply log on to the Gateway Stream app or visit gatewaystream.com/Nama. Right, back to the awards. Oh, hold on. I need to cast my vote. Right. For those of you, I've just cast my vote. Has everybody cast their People's Choice vote? Shout out who you voted for. Tell me who you voted for. For me? Me? Thanks, guys. I'm not on the list, though. All right, for all of those watching from home, in case you've just joined us, this is Nama 23, a night to celebrate all things Zimbabwean art and where we envision ourselves in the next 100 years. And can I just tell you, the atmosphere in here is electric at the Harare Hippodrome, and it's about to get even more so. Soon after the awards show, we have none other than Ja Praiser in the house to close off the night with a bang. So do not rush home. But now, can someone say, I need me some church? Can I take y'all to church? Turn to your neighbor and say, neighbor, you look mighty fine tonight. I need to hear you say, neighbor. Hey, you look even better when you get your praise on. Please welcome to the number 23 stage, a fusion of music that is set to heal, to inspire, and to uplift. Ladies and gentlemen, Joyful Praise Choir!
But if the wedge is running, it's okay.
They went off on me.
kuba. Jesu Bibana Jesu
Sitarangu akazinipisa wakanyegetera ichapotanyika yawe ichapotanyika yawe akamate mari
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mishak Mahendere and Joyful Praise Choir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please may the drivers of a blue Honda Fit, registration number AGC 1331, and a Mark X, registration AFD 5536, as well as a Mercedes-Benz, registration number AEL 3977, kindly move their vehicles. And now, please turn your attention to the screens.
ndakushandisa ziki pakutumira nekutora marisepiki yabikiliki akuse kuvhura diki zvazvinhu zvine musoro kunge wiki saka cbz taintrodusa ziki cash to collect your usd cash cash out necbz touch kana paatm iri vahombe pakutumira mari diaspora kuuk you don't have to worry
tiri vahombe pakutumira mari diaspora far away, you don't have to worry, no. Z-I-K-I cash from UK to Zimbabwe, send your money through CBZ, CK cash, yeah.
Z-I-K-I cash from UK to Zimbabwe, receive your money in CBZ, CK cash, hey.
Ziki Cash is a product of CBZ Bank, partners for success.
Bite into our juicy chicken burger, packed with flavor and fresh ingredients. Chicken in. Love that chicken.
In the heart of Harare, Zimbabwe, a construction revolution is unfolding. Vast, a company renowned for its innovation, is transforming the skyline one project at a time. With a mission to create sustainable, affordable, and visually striking structures, Vast is redefining what it means to build in the 21st century. Our team at Vast poured their passion and expertise into every inch of this construction, ensuring that it serves as a model for future commercial spaces. Present, Vast is not resting on its laurels. We see a future where every building in Harare is a testament to sustainable construction and architectural elegance. We envision a cityscape filled with structures that not only serve their purpose, but also contribute to the well-being of the environment and the community. With every brick we lay, every blueprint we sketch, we're crafting a future where the skyline of Zimbabwe and beyond is a harmonious blend of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. We're not just constructing buildings, we're building a legacy. The future of construction in Harare is here, and it has a name, Vast.
The 23rd edition of the National Arts Merit Awards is brought to you by Vicenzo Valley, ZLG, Chicken Inn, Inbats, and Vast Contractors. Nama 23. Hashtag Afrofuturism.
Right. Can we just talk about Joyful Praise for a second? I promised you fire and I gave you what? This side of the room, I saw Everton over there. He was in the spirit. 11 out of 10. Amen. Oh, man. They got me in that spirit. Oh, everybody was up. They are such an amazing choir. And that's just how we do it at Nama. All the fireworks, no games. None. We just bring fireworks. Now, the next category honors men and women who tell stories in real time, with an audience giving live feedback. The raw emotions laid bare on a stage. No stop, cuts, no retakes, none of that. The art form of theater. It makes us talk about the hard stuff, the easy stuff, the fun stuff. And to present the Theatre Awards, please welcome a man whose ear is on the ground as he amplifies Zimbabwean art. I'm talking about none other than Plot Mako, a brilliant arts journalist, alongside renowned gallery curator, well known for his sterling work as band manager of the Mkomba Marcus Agora.
Cook Beat Production.
Good evening, Zimbabwe, and good evening, Nama. Being a band manager that has traveled the world with one of Zimbabwe's most successful bands, Mkomba, I can say I've seen my fair share of African creativity. The theater space is one of the most expressive forms of art, and we are here for it. The plot thickens.
I see what you did there, Marcus. Both you and I, we are both curators of art, and we've seen and we keep seeing the best of Zimbabwean art daily. And we are honored to be presenting the best in the theater.
The next category is Outstanding Actress. This category is about women who have spent countless hours in rehearsal to leave their hearts on stage, telling the African story. And the nominees for Outstanding Actress in Theater are
Theater Awards. Outstanding Actress, Chidochangu Tenga as Molly in Molly Street. Caroline Mashingaidze Zimbizi as Tete Sabina in Family Riots. Munashe Goromonzi as Girl's Mother and Girl in the Aftermath.
And the winner is Caroline Mashingaidze Zimbizi.
Janinga family, kuna Billy, Chimombe na Mujarate, Agripa Nengo, Chief, Mungwende, Ndimi Mono wa Jondiga de Rowing Mandu. Bauze moto notingandu ngadu na mega mene ndisi uye boya mane nino pisa for mabati mani jiga bauze ndakapega ekuti ndine magets awole kwenye test limita energy isina gana no calculator bisim salad bachka zino undifita endoka di papa mangoma ine do pefita ndine magets awole kwenye test limita energy isina gana no calculator bisim salad bachka zino undifita endoka di papa mangoma ine do.
Wow, thank you so much. If you had told me years back, Kero wakudara we kuchitungwiza, kuti I was going to stand here on this prestigious stage to not only get nominated, but to win an award, I would have told you where to get off. I would like to thank God first. Mari, ndakuvatenda zvikuru. I would like to thank the directors, Lucy, Teresa. Your hard work has gotten us thus far. And to the man of the moment, the writer, Gideon Jeff Wavuta. Thank you, Machewe, for allowing me to tell your story. And finally, to my family and friends, thank you. Special mention to my husband. Thank you, Simboti, for all that you do. I love you. I would like to dedicate this award in the memory of my niece, Tandele Nkosi Tariro Mashingaidze. Thank you.
And the next category goes to men who make the world, the stage, a place to see the world. And the nominees for the outstanding actor are
Outstanding Actor, Ronald Madotanaskeka as Factual Kumulu in Promise, Tafadzwa Bob Mutumbi as Morris and multi-characters in Haywire, Michael Kudakwashe as Sydney in Family Riots.
And the winner is Michael Kudakwashe.
Tafela, nyepera, oi nakani nyepera matafela, achita itoda upita yangu melas. Daine ndakaudza natete mama ndakafuta mikete mwanawe kwamurewe kwaseke uyo ndaitengera makeke nyaya inorwadza musaseke indaimuticha kumaeke achokadi dhunda uyo atende
Yeah. Whew, to be honest, I actually didn't think I was going to win. First of all, I'd like to thank God. I'd like to thank my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. All good things come from Him. All good things in my life have come from Him. I would like to thank my beautiful wife over there, who's had to put up with a crazy artist for 27 years. I'd like to thank my kids. I'd like to thank the Riots family. I'd like to thank the writer, Gideon Jeff Waputa. Thank you for trusting me with this character. Thank you so much. Thank you, Nama. Thank you, everyone who's attended today. And I just want to say, people, let us normalize telling Zimbabwean stories. Thank you.
Thank you. So our next category is Outstanding Theatrical Production. Theater is a team effort. Aside from the obvious roles that you see on stage, like actors, there is an army of people who work to make theater happen. From the writer, to lighting, to makeup, to costumes, to stage management, there is so much that goes on behind the scenes. This category awards team effort. And the nominees for Outstanding Theatrical Productions are...
Outstanding Theatrical Production. The Aftermath by Patimeredu Trust. Promise by Savannah Trust. Family Riots, Almas Collaborative Arts.
And the winner is The Aftermath by Patimeredu Trust.
Nerves. Anyway, wow. Tajita foot, year in, year out. This is amazing. Thank you, Zimbabwe. Thank you, theater practitioners. Thank you, supporters. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Just thank you. Thank you, Zimbabwe. Thank you.
Outstanding Director. This award goes to the individual who has turned an everyday story on paper into a live form on stage. For all to joy, the nominees for Outstanding Theatre Director are...
Outstanding Director. Promise by Teddy Mangawa. Haywire by Everson Ndlovu. Aftermath by Norbert Makoche.
And the winner is Everson Ndlovu.
Mr. President, yeah. Kana wakarora, kana kurorwa, mirai kunyepa man. Vamwe vakapinda pasi, vakatofura nekuda kwenyama. Man to man, vakuda man to man. Yes, she lied to me. Man to man, vakuda man to man. Of course she lied to me.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tafaza Mzondo, also known as Nyanduru Nyanduru. I'm not Everson Ndlovu. On behalf of Everson Ndlovu, I want to accept this award. Everson has transcended You know, when I knew him, he always wanted to be a physical artist. He has gone all the way and he has fulfilled his dream. He's not here today. On his behalf, thank you, Nama, for recognizing his effort.
And the winner is Zagamo, The War Within by Ray Mawerera.
Kilati anayafo nyazo cheka Woti property ndakatombotanga ndichitaura chokwadini kunyepa ndaitochka ndaitova mutendekini asiro rudo rwaitoda kunipandutsa ini kutonzi ndokuda ndaitona seucharora ini zvakazongoma aoneswo zvakadarika ini kana kuvanhu vese aivaudza akaramba zvandakaona zvawanda miyedzo yako yawanda kuti nditadzire Mwari.
Magadi Mose Linjanlong. So yesterday they took us on a rehearsal and they said you have to walk up the stage, and it's going to be very easy. They made it sound like it's a stroll in the park, but it's a long distance to come from there. I want to thank God for the gifts that He gives us as artists, and writing books is one of those very lonely things that you have to do as a creative. I want to thank my beautiful, long-suffering wife for being patient with me. This is my very first Nama, so it's a bit of an emotion. I don't even know how the story came about, but it's here. I want to thank my family, and I want to thank my fellow nominees, Takudzwa and Trust. Well done, guys, and to all the artists and the National Arts Council. Let's keep it going. Thank you very much.
Our next category is for the outstanding fiction book, where we actually honor the writers who transport us to different worlds using words to paint pictures. And the nominees are
Outstanding Fiction Book, The Full Moon Rises at Sunset by Susan Hubert, self-published. Weeping Tomato by Samantha Rumpidzai Vajure, published by Carnelian Art Limited. Aziwelanga Pansi by Welshman Dube, published by Dawundeti Publishers.
And the winner is, drumroll please, Weeping Tomato by Samantha Rumpidzai Vajure.
Oh my God, I don't know what to say. I'm so incredibly proud of this. First, I want to thank Mwari, whose creative energy flows through me. I would also like to thank my husband and kids for their undying love, especially during the times I disappear into myself to find these award-winning creations. I would also like to thank the team who helped me on this book. So my editors, Panashe Nyagwambo and Innocent Wande. My alpha readers, my beta readers, just too many to mention. My cover artist, Mike Stewart, my interior book designer, Daniel Mutendi. There's just so many people who worked so hard to make this happen. I'm so grateful. I would also like to thank you, Nama, for this recognition. It means so much to me. And finally, I would like to dedicate this award to my dad, who passed away unexpectedly last year. He would have been incredibly proud. Thank you so much.
Now from fiction, we move to non-fiction. The nominees for Outstanding Non-Fiction Book are
Outstanding Non-Fiction Book, Engage Zimbabwe, a Cultural Intelligence Handbook for Effective Diplomacy, Volume 1, Shona Culture by Lovemore and Chido Kuana, published by Kuana Media and Culture Consultants Private Limited. Your Guide to Adulting by Rumbidzai Munyaradzi, published by Rumbidzai Munyaradzi. Entrepreneurial Success, Insights on Growing Business in a Fluid Economy by Divine Simbinzuguda, PhD, published by Divine Simbinzuguda, PhD.
And the winner is Entrepreneurial Success, Insights on Growing Business in a Fluid Economy by Divine Simbi Ndlugula.
This is 1977. Rolengo mam tavarawe.
A huge thank you to the Namas. I am not Dr. Divine Simbin Ndlugula. I'm actually her daughter. Unfortunately, she is at another commitment. But as Moffat highlighted, it's always great to be acknowledged at home, being recognized globally for her achievements. So I think home is always best. And thank you, Nama, for this category. I hope it continues to foster a culture of reading in Zimbabwe. So, so that we maintain the high literacy rate that we have as a country already. So thank you to everyone who's bought the book. I hope it's inspired everyone. And yes, to the team behind the book. I know Selena was a big part of it. This book would not come to life if it weren't for two of her companies. So Team Securico and Team Shikomborero. Thank you very much.
And now it's time to celebrate the grown-ups, the ones who actually have an imagination so vivid it captures the attention of the little one. Ngesindebele sithi okhekhe. These writers make bedtime stories a breeze for parents. They help shape the minds of the best of us, our children. These are the nominees for Outstanding Children's Book.
Outstanding Children's Book, The Tale of Jackal and Man by Joseph Matose. Chimbirane Dzimwengano by Primrose Dzenga, published by Torchbearers Trust Books. Cartoonist by Sega Fuma, published by Essential Publishing Company.
And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Chimbirane Dzimwengano by Primrose Dzenga.
Thank you so much. As you can see, I am not Primrose Dzenga, but I came here to represent here. Ndinofara zvikuru, tiri kufarisa. Tisingazvitarisire, but hatongoti ndimwari. Ndichinyanya kutenda murume anonzi Mr. Chirere. Murume akabata basa ye. Aisarara akatibatira basa guru. Ndinotenda zvikuru. Thank you.
Enjoy the freedom and convenience that comes with CBZ Bank Visa. With Visa's convenient online payment system, you can make transactions from anywhere in the world with ease. You can pay for your education with a simple click. With your CBZ Bank Visa card, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to making smart online payments. Shop online from anywhere using your CBZ Bank Visa card. CBZ Bank. Partners for Success.
Culture Fund is a local organization supporting the arts and culture sector in Zimbabwe and Africa.
a fund manager, and a development organization, enabling a culture and creativity enriched society that promotes international instruments and national policies while sustaining creativity and innovation. Our country is enriched with heritage diversified cultures, enterprising creatives, flora and fauna. Together with our funding partner, EU Delegation to Zimbabwe, we congratulate all the NAMA nominees and winners. Congratulations, Makorokoto Amhlope.
The 23rd edition of the National Arts Merit Awards is proudly brought to you by Ranga Designs, Dreadlock Masters, Stay Young Till 99 Investments, Tin Mash, The Suit Master, and JT Clothing. Number 23, hashtag Afrofuturism.
I get a hashtag Afrofuturism. Hey, I was talking to you guys. Mr. Napoleon, hashtag Afrofuturism. Woo! Thank you very much. Now, up next, I have a question for you. What does Zim Dancer look like to all of you? For me, it's a guarantee that my head is going to start bumping. I'm going to start moving. I'm going to start shaking because we all know I can't dance. I have literally 3 left feet. But what I have in store for you are 2 first-time NAMA nominees. Our tomorrow starts today with this next performance, and it is sure to get you out of your seats with its fabulousness. Welcome, welcome to a multiple hit maker. So many I have lost count. From Kutsama Kunileba to Shampopo to so many more. You know who I'm talking about. It is Nyasha Tees alongside Denga Hitmaker. Mkamana Anitsika. Mkamana Anichipo. Windsor.
Shida akavaonesa majitamu katofi mazhinji handipa waindona ndipopa wainzwa jinja kutambanudza ruoko muhomwe wapinzi mariwo bvondipa imariko iro tora rakarwawo ndondemariko wabva kusakura ugombo wakufamba uchodza vanhu kuti nineka ndakazvimbirwa wakandiona nchidzovai kamari kako kakagumira pauro pakati pekulokulo amenondoti chida indaigona tsumo razvingori obviasco wakapinda nendimutauro wangu paindaituzogoda lumo twawita watenga mumarana tomitola 50 notomadola vaiona zvakadzora iyo mahunga waitenga pabhero wakatamba ndosvera ndomadzora voti vakatodyiwa ibaba sha ndikokudyiwa ikoko voti makatodyiwa baba ndikokudyiwa ikoko naiwe unopenga here ukuti wakatodyiwa ibaba sha ndikokudyiwa ikoko voti makatodyiwa baba ndikokudyiwa ikoko hauna kana i hauna mba hauna ka hauna ke hauna sa zvese hauna kana i hauna mba hauna ka hauna ke hauna sa ndasa hauna voti wakatodyiwa ibaba sha ndikokudyiwa ikoko voti makatodyiwa baba ndikokudyiwa ikoko ndaitoda kuzotenga pfeko kudonedza musika zvekapumbeto ichidzidanesa pageto ana muchibva vatinomwarira vasipesakosha chese toda kukunda muchona kana zvangu zvaita mosondonawo kana mwari vajusa nchazofonawo tsitsitsi wangu ndakatombomira kutola ndakwira goma vakurumidza kundona chese tinodanana kunda muchona asi munozviona sei
Mwari mukandipa simba wandipa mota wandipa imba
ishe wangu mandipa pfungwa ndiri munhu wenya pamwe ndinoda kusundwa zvakapadabuka ndina mutsunda batanidza izvese zviri kushupa kana zvobatana ndokwanisa kuzosimisa maelda chimatisa mwapeneka Samwagnele Bamana, 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 Samwagnele Bamana,
Yeah. Dedi mentena Samunenge matena Ikatu wachanon Jehova angwishe muri kumsoro Daima uya manta kurira mtoro Namote panika zonsenga za mtoro Chanda ukumbira mditoreri Uzichite moka kuparadiso Patika banuka Ambonine sisibiso Mame banotika Saka chipianiso Manangu udoto peta senchiso Hey, 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 Atingaya toka akabatenemo abanda sekuzosi utazoga mukunzo atawamu wana kapulona atinda ikusiga wakaboya nebakon unaka samaise kaka makarona mtekata mteti munospere nama pasadona Irigo engana kamirosi Nekasi harisi kusopita nebani kosi Dara mamshiki kuma kuwa kunya misosi Suba iroru wakawanda matamani dosi Irorigo nayo Irorigo nayo Bagabata babakia Laibane migone Otikai wof Pindurai umteo Pasidi timane masoko Soda chipao Ingai namo Akabata shirao Tuviro kuda kutisema ngubaima Watano Nasuma zanda kuna tetekuru Turutiro yangu kuda kukutira menturu Ea Kutoira tena yefu Uteka tena bela mkoba Watano Irigo tenga Kamiga Nekasi harisi Kusopita tebane kosi Alamba mshini kuma kuma kulemi Suma iroru waka wanda wajamani josi Itai kuchina mati Upenye utare maka utate Baba kirai Utai mani Ukoma itai mushiramata Upenye utere maka utati papata Inga ekati tori pakupita makata Pakuku upenye mutoro kasinoda msimba Maiva kanitumiza sitaki simba Wakaniti mwanango ramba uchikimba Kata sonubuka zemka tanya mimba Irigo denga Ariete nevano benga ati Kosa mati zenga chimen Mutoro amakazenga doti Irigo denga Ariete nevano benga ati Kosa mati zenga chimen Mutoro amakazenga doti
Yeah.
Superb performances by young Zimbabwean artists like Navila Said, two first-time NAMA nominees, Nisha Tees and Windsor. And now, please turn your attention to the screens.
Madip, that's upside.
Film and television have long served Zimbabwe as a means of not just entertainment and great laughs, but a way to connect with each other with one goal and unity of culture. The history of film and television in the country is rich and one to be proud of. After having seen the country being a destination for Hollywood films such as King Solomon's Mines and other locally produced fan favorites of top quality, the trajectory seemed to be going upward. Alas, it plateaued and filmmaking deteriorated. Fast forward to 2020 and private players are invited to apply. In 2022, new TV stations are launched, a first for the country. This opens up the airwaves tremendously for local players. In the midst of the ups and downs of film and television, there have been hurdles, some small and some seemingly insurmountable. 2024 was declared as the Year of Film in Zimbabwe, an announcement made by Dr. Nozipho Maraire at the year's Namas. And so the National Film Strategy was born. The National Arts Council of Zimbabwe would consult stakeholders from various parts of the country. During this time, a national strategy formulating team is assembled. It consists of filmmakers with varying degrees of experience and expertise, both in number of years and technological advancements. Ideas are tabled, solutions are coined, and strategies formulated. The government of Zimbabwe, through the Ministry of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, supports the strategy. And on the 20th of November 2024, the National Film Strategy is launched. The hope? To develop the industry of film and TV in Zimbabwe. Within its pages are strategies that filmmakers hope to see employed in the country to grow the industry, create jobs, upskill creatives, and put Zimbabwe on the global creative stage through the lens. The strategy is penned for a 5-year period, 2025 to 2030, and is put in place to set up relevant structures and policies to help guide the way we make film in Zimbabwe. It is anchored on these 9 pillars: governance and regulation, funding and financing of the industry, infrastructure and facilities, copyright protection, local, regional and international collaborations, markets and distribution channels, film education and training, inclusivity, research and development. Based on these pillars, the government of Zimbabwe, along with the National Arts Council of Zimbabwe, seeks to support Zimbabwean filmmakers and build a lucrative industry. It is a collective effort, and we can't wait to see film and television thrive. The National Arts Council of Zimbabwe, championing arts development in Zimbabwe.
Charlene, why are you up there?
I'm here.
How big things are happening up in here, my girl?
Big things.
Big things.
Are you looking for your next culprit?
It's not a culprit. It's a victim. I mean, a friend. A friend. Just a friend. Ooh, that looks like an interesting hat. Good evening.
Evening, how are you?
I am very well, thank you. How's the evening going for you so far?
Yeah, great. We just won an award, so very excited.
First time winner?
Yes, at the Namas.
I love it. I love a first time winner. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. That was the most weak round of applause I've ever heard in my entire life. Give them a round of applause. They won a Nama. No majiras, man. No majiras. Right. And have you placed your People's Choice vote?
Yes.
Was that the truth? You can't. We're live on TV. Was that the truth?
All right, let me do it now.
Lines are still open, everybody. I hope you've put your votes in. Have you put your votes in, sir? For the People's Choice Award?
Not as yet.
I warned you guys. The clock is ticking. It is ticking, and if you don't get your vote in, and your person, your favorite, doesn't win, that's not on me. That is now on you. How's your evening going?
It's going well.
Just well?
I'm really enjoying.
Well, you look absolutely stunning. Who has placed their People's Choice vote? Anyone around me? Ooh, girl, I can't get you. Oh, there we go. I run, I come in. Okie dokie, tell me, who are you voting for? Your vote is not your secret.
Master Eshpandu Bottom K.
EI 46407, ACO C360. AFN 8869 and AFM 3524. Nabila, take it away.
Well, thank you so much for that, Charlene. That was an electrifying category right there. But now we move on to another very special category, the Special Awards. Now, here to present these awards, please welcome Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Nicholas Moyo.
Everything is under control. Not me. Think of a school. Doko yes up aside. Doko on the one and the chip is up aside. But the couldn't kiss up a trip in the online. Best friend and the miss on the shika on time. Oh yeah, my bad,
allow me to recognize the protocols that have already been established, honorable ministers. Now we are in the special awards, and the award goes to the artist who is flying the Zimbabwean flag high across the borders, and the nominees for the artist in the diaspora are
Outstanding Artist in the Diaspora, Anatolia Blessing Chitapa, music, based in the UK. Wina Musamati, theatre, based in the UK. Ernest Ndlovu, film and television actor, based in South Africa. Masimba Wati, visual artist, based in Poland.
And the winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Masimba Wati, based in Poland.
Masimba Wati is a Zimbabwean multidisciplinary artist born in Mondoro and raised in Highfield, Harare. His work spans across the sculptural space, video, performance, and sound, and delves into everyday forms of resistance and negotiation through indigenous philosophies. He has studied both at home and abroad. His art has been featured in prestigious collections worldwide, including the University of Michigan Museum of Art, the Izigo South African National Gallery, and the National Gallery of Zimbabwe.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Masimba Wati, he couldn't be here tonight from his base in Austria. You'd say you would like to thank NAMA for the recognition and the honor, and also all the artists that has preceded before him. He dedicates this award to his wife, Tutsirai Msingwini, and his 3 children, and 2 important mothers in his life, who are Gogo Wati and Gogo Msingwini. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant night.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award, journalism is an important part of telling the world about us. So this next category celebrates that sibonga onozindaba bemidlalo elilibazisayo, and the nominees for outstanding arts journalists are
The Outstanding Arts Journalist Award goes to Mthabisi Chuma. He's a Zimbabwean journalist born and raised in Bulawayo. He has a bachelor's honors degree in media and society studies. His work focuses on profiling emerging artists, both local and international spaces. Chuma was instrumental in establishing Tepe Manama Community Radio, Zimbabwe's first licensed community radio station, where he is currently head of content. He was nominated for the Outstanding Journalist category at the 22nd edition of the National Arts Merit Awards. Ladies and gentlemen, Mthabisi Chuma.
Okuhle kuyabukwa. Okuhle kuyabukwa.
Well, that gives a whole different level to short and sweet, doesn't it? Right, to present the next award, please help me welcome to the stage the Deputy Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Honorable Emily Josiah.
Just signal.
and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Much better, lichona njani. Maneru maskera sei. Okay. This category is a thank you. Is a thank you to those who promote the arts. The nominees for the Promoter of the Year are
Special Awards. Promoter of the Year, Nash TV. Event Hulks, Ngomane Hojo.
And the winner is Event Hulks.
Ewe sisi ngibonile ukuthi ngibonile uyangixaza wena ewe mbuti ngibonile ukuthi ngibonile uzowenzani.
Thank you so much, Nama. Thank you, thank you. You know, for years we've been in trenches as Events Hulks. However, you know, we're finally winning now. This belongs to Duke and Slay. I'm sure, ladies, you know Duke and Slay. Yes, this belongs to you. So, we would like to assure you for, you know, many more amazing experiences to come over the year. Thank you so much, Nama.
Ladies and gentlemen, and the next category is Arts Personality of the Year. This individual is an undeniable force in the space of art. Please welcome to the stage
Ladies and gentlemen, Chipa's Promotions. Chipa's Promotions was founded in 2004 and is a leading Zimbabwean entertainment company specializing in music events. They have organized numerous large-scale concerts featuring both local and international artists, including Davido and Makadzi. Chipa's Promotions has also been instrumental in bringing a lot of different acts. Ladies and gentlemen, Chipa's Promotions.
Unfortunately, the CEO of Chipa's, Awanakuba Chikanas, as on behalf of Chipa's Promotions, would like to thank everyone. Would like to thank Nama for this prestigious award. Thank you.
Oh, it truly is shaping up to be a fantastic evening. To present the Arts Service Award and the Lifetime Achievement Award, please welcome the Acting Minister in the Ministry of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Professor Paul Mavima.
DJ Ability Extension. Yad boy, Yakuno. Every girl I wine to me song like cockeye. Allow me day one
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is my honor to be here tonight. And now let's move on to the next category, Arts Service Award. This award goes to the person who has made an immense contribution to the arts in Zimbabwe. And I'm honored to say the Prince Edward School is the winner for this award.
Prince Edward School is a distinguished and pioneering educational institution that has played a vital role in fostering and safeguarding the arts within Zimbabwe. For generations, the school has served as a nurturing ground for creative talent, cultivating artistic expression and contributing significantly to the nation's rich cultural heritage. Prince Edward School.
Good evening to you, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to write on protocol that has already been given. On behalf of Prince Edward School community, I would like to thank NAMA for recognition of the great work that is being done by Prince Edward in promoting arts and cultural activities. We are doing what is expected to market, have ownership of the different cultures that we have in our country. I want to thank you for being with us here today to receive this award on behalf of our institution. Thank you very much once again. Ladies and gentlemen, a lifetime can be a very long time, and yet also somehow very short. This award goes to a person who has given most of their life to the arts, someone who has been selfless in their work as an artist. We believe in giving flowers whilst the person is still alive and can smell the flowers. The Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Philip Sose.
Philip Shoshwe was born in Chikomba, Sadza district in 1950. He joined a band called the All Saints as their bass player. After spending 4 years in Rusape, he decided to come back to Harare together with other musicians. He has worked with notable names such as Tuku, James Chimombe, recording several hits like Bindura and Cecilia. Ladies and gentlemen, your number 23 Lifetime Achievement Award winner, Philip Shoshwe.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Kutanga ndinotenda Mwari. Vakandidonza nguva yese yandadonza iyi vakandichengeta. Vamwe vangu vezera rangu vandakatanga navo hapasina. Saka ndinotenda Mwari. Chechipiri, National Arts Council nekurangarirawo nemabasa andakaitawo pasi pano. Nefamily yangu inondisapota kusvika zvandiri nhasi. Nemi mesewo munopota muchiombera kana zvaita. Thank you.
Diaspora ku UK, you don't have to worry. I
Ziki Cash is a product of CBZ Bank. Partners for success.
In the heart of Harare, Zimbabwe, a construction revolution is unfolding. VAST, a company renowned for its innovation, is transforming the skyline one project at a time. With a mission to create sustainable, affordable, and visually striking structures, VAST is redefining what it means to build in the 21st century. Our team at VAST poured their passion and expertise into every inch of this construction, ensuring that it serves as a model for future commercial spaces. Present, VAST is not resting on its laurels. We see a future where every building in Harare is a testament to sustainable construction and architectural elegance. We envision a cityscape filled with structures that not only serve their purpose, but also contribute to the well-being of the environment and the community. With every brick we lay, every blueprint we sketch, we're crafting a future where the skyline of Zimbabwe and beyond is a harmonious blend of aesthetics, functionality, and sustainability. We're not just constructing buildings, we're building a legacy. The future of construction in Harare is here, and it has a name, VAST.
The 23rd edition of the National Arts Merit Awards is proudly brought to you by Creative Bureau, Black Shark Security, Wild Africa Travel and Tours, Addiction Designs, Skies Metro, and Suits World. NAMA 23, hashtag Afrofuturism.
Hi, Nabila. So before we move on to the next category, there's a bit of a housekeeping issue. May the drivers of a Toyota Aqua AGW 3598 and a Nissan with registration number AEK 6168 attend to their vehicles immediately. Back to you, girl.
Thank you, girl. I can't wait to have you on stage with me, Charlene, by the way. You feel so far away, so Bluetooth, hi. Ladies and gentlemen, can I just take us back for a moment to the special category that we've just seen? The Lifetime Award is such a special award, and that just shows us that the people that are first-time nominees tonight will indeed be our future. Hashtag Afrofuturism, and I'm so proud to be part of NAMA 23, and all of you are part of it this evening. Please give yourselves a massive round of applause. Hoyo indeed. Right, this next category was open to all forms of art. And it is also the one where you, as the public, get to vote. This is the People's Choice Award. And to present this award that has had the people talking, please welcome Steve Zhao from our platinum sponsor CBZ, Manat Sagaka, and our red carpet host tonight, my sister in J Squared, Nicole Jamu.
Production. Iri kuchema kwa mwana wayo iyo ngwarati kwanzi mwana wangu kumakusa.
Hi, Honorable Minister, ladies and gentlemen, Manielo. My name is, it's a long name, Jivanai Soko Steve K.E. Zhao. I'm standing up here, representative of JCMC, Jacaranda Media and Culture. Allow me to use 1 minute to say a bit of more word to everyone here. Today we're standing up here as event manager of JCMC from National Arts Council for the NAMA event manager. Today is our last show. After 6 shows we've been working together with National Arts Council. 2019, when we become the event manager, the whole team of JCMC was so exciting, but we didn't know NAMA event has a big challenge. Our dream is give the honor to Zimbabwe artists. We want to have our Zimbabwe Grammy Awards. We want to have our Zimbabwe Oscar Awards. We want to bring Zimbabwe artists into the international levels. That's the JCMC dream. After 6 years, we have reached certain level, but we believe still a long way to go. Compare the talented artists in Zimbabwe, JCMC whole team we feel we didn't do enough. Because of the challenge of human resource, because of challenge of finance. We go through a very difficult time. Year 2020, the pandemic, COVID-19. Lucky enough, NAMA, with the support with the ministry, with the support with the government, with the support of all of sponsors, we didn't stop NAMAs each every year from year 2000. Even during the time when the whole country was closed down, NAMA still going on. The Zimbabwe flag still flying in the arts industry in the world. Thank you, everyone. As the last event, as the event manager, stand up here, representative of teams, I want to say thank you for the government, especially thank you for the ministry, thank you for the National Arts Council, thank you for you have a faith to CCMC teams. Throughout the 6 years we've been working together, we've been trying our best. Thank you for the sponsors, and also thank you for some of the sponsors, they pull out. We wish you come back, and especially I thank you for CBZ. They joined us from last year. I wish we have more people coming for NAMAs, more people support arts industry. These industries need everyone here. And this industry making the soul of Zimbabwe. I always have a joke to people to say, how identify Zimbabwe people? When you're in Joburg airport, you see a guy bring a salt into your food, that's a Zimbabwe. Thank you guys. So I'm here to present the awards.
Many thanks going out to Ziwanai for giving us such a long intro, but getting into the award that we're presenting to you tonight, and that is the People's Choice Award.
Good evening, Zimbabwe. I'm here representing CBZ Holdings, your partners for success. Zimbabweans have been voting for this category for many weeks, and we are really excited about the results. Let it play.
These are your nominees for the People's Choice Award.
AKA Bolts JT. Dorcas Moyo. Theophilus Chipumira, AKA Mike Kirifodi. Wallace Chirumiko, AKA Winky D. Hilary Marufu, AKA Master H.
Zimbabwe, you have been voting for the People's Choice Award, and it seems everyone is divided. The room is divided on who they think the winner is. The winner for the People's Choice Award 2025 is Winky D.
Well, the people have spoken. Gaffa, congratulations. You are the people's choice. Now, what a night it has been. Did I not start off with promising you that this was going to be a night to remember? Have I let you down? Oh, yeah, but I've lost an earring. Did I give you fire? That was pathetic, that yes. Give me a proper yes, and maybe I'll pick up my earring. Right. We are closing off, but I'm not leaving you on a cliffhanger. I promise you I'm not doing that. A few thank yous before I sign out. Thank you to Miss Deaf Zimbabwe for the models who helped hand out the awards tonight, as well as our beautiful sign language interpretation co-hosts, Madeline, Aisha, and Ruth, ensuring absolute inclusion in this incredible evening. Please could we give them a round of applause. To close you out, I told you I was not leaving you on a cliffhanger. You see, I don't know if you've noticed, but I took my sleeves off because for the next performance, I needed my dancing shoes on. I needed to actually, hold on a sec. I'm going to take my shoes off, actually, because that's how good the next performance is. Up next, we've got Ariano and Baga.
Tambire kangoma ka mama kani bembere kana wande tata uragasi sweetie dance yo nega guitar no say eso mi
shake your body
to
she no dey na boki
Mami, oh, no, wanna say, and so me and take your body, protect your what she don't know about you, Mami, you know naguda, nino bigger naguda, nino bigger,
Look for Gibby, I'm a sinner. Tina no Jipina, but don't need touch your peanuts. No shy, you look. Whoa. Makatuza ndokipa chero zichirwadza isudochita inoira kuti mwezi wasita no sei narodamuna ndicheyura saka kainaifuna Quiero buscarlo la pura, puro poco más y pepna. Very nice life.
Number 23, has it phenomenal or has it been phenomenal? No, but guys, I need a response. Otherwise, no after party, no Wagwizi, no Japreza. Who's ready for Wagwizi? Ukwandis kukunzwa indati, who's ready for Wagwizi? Nabila? Oh, okay. She's taken off her shoes, clearly because Baga Oriano, and JP coming up. What? I mean, why does anybody still have shoes on? I mean, like, that's the logical question. But this is where Nabila and I bid you all a good night for now, because in a few minutes, Wagwizi will be filling this stage with the heat that you deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Charlene Mangweni Furusa, Umtagatili Umnagaro, and I have been your voice host tonight.
And my name is Nabila Jogi. I've been your main stage host tonight. I've had such an amazing time with all of you, and I hope you've had an amazing time with me. But for now, we bid you good night. Don't rush on. See you on the dance floor.
haters kandoda vanosifarira iskwandobva kasangobhaiza una moms wangu zvakachainda paunoda I'm gonna sideline my hoes zangu anagamuchirai text your father like mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai Fata mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai pasipatini mwana ndakupirai pasipeto pane mari yandakusirai takirai kuno mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai hands repairing as a fee tikati okay ngatichita diri Meaning ngatijuta wani Iwewe make sure that they don't be Girls with the love if you broadcast Congrats But if you try to hide it bamutoshi bata Shana mainini bamutoshi kwata Ana site ingiwa kafuna kwata Mananda kupirai Mananda kupirai Pana zamaona atavamba kuchinaya Fata nimiwo msinyanya Darima panozviketa ukaripa izvozvo pamwe domboteya nemasoko pamwe pachipepa dariva mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai fata mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai mwana ndakupirai pasipito pane mari
Happiness and other things when you do not eat on slow. I just go with it slow. Hey, follow me now.